Happy New Year everyone, and welcome to another episode of Bikepacking Adventures. Today, out for a couple of hours. It's been raining for the best part of the day. So today is one of those rare moments I don't have a route loaded. I'm just going to hit the road, see where I end up. I'm currently heading towards Grimsby, but shortly afterwards we'll be heading to the Lincolnshire Wolds. It's that time of year where not much bikepacking or adventures go on really. Group rides, club rides, the odd century here, maybe a 200-kilometre ride once a month, but nothing involving a tent or a bivvy bag. Too wet, too damp, too cold. It's turned out to be a bit wet and windy, as always. Coming up to an hour and a quarter. I got a feeling I should have done what's going to be a loop the other way around, I think, because I'm going over the walls headwind. It would have been lovely coming back the other way. So in this video I wanted to talk about my events and goals, but I think what I'm going to do, I'm going to finish this ride and talk about it in the warmth of being at home. Meanwhile, I'll try and share some scenic Lincolnshire.
Okay, so I'm home. Let's take a look at those goals and go through them. I've got 8 goals. Is that too many? I don't know, you tell me. So the first though, as I've already mentioned it once already in the channel, is I want to achieve 100 points, at least 100 Audax points. The last time I did that was 2019, before the pandemic, for obvious reasons. 2020, didn't do any Audax at all. 21, did a little bit. And of course in 2022, it was all about the TCR. I got up to 77 points, so I was pretty close. But next year, my big goal is to get 100 Audax points. In fact, I'm going to share 4 with you now, my 4 big goals for 2023. If you want to read the rest, I'm going to drop a link down to my new website. I've got all my events listed and all my goals on there as well, so feel free after this to go check them out. So the next biggest goal in 2023, not only do I want to finish Paris-Brest Paris, I want to ride it and finish it under 70 hours. Last time I ran it in 2019, I finished in 82 hours and 41 minutes, so I've got half a day to shave off. Many people get well below 70 hours, so I want to be with those guys. 1200 kilometers, 70 hours, not much sleep involved there. Okay, goal number 3, the Pan-Celtic race. Now, I've got down here, I want to finish it in good time, but what is good time? Don't know at this point how long it's going to take. I've not studied the route much, but I know I want to finish in good time. I want to be approaching that as a race. Final goal I'm going to share with you in this video is the Great British Escapades. 500 kilometers, mud, dirt, gravel, grass, everything in between down in the south and North Downs, and I just want to be able to survive it. I've watched a Katie Kookaburra video recently, and in 2022 it just absolutely threw it down, so that kind of event is very much dictated by the weather, so hopefully, fingers crossed, it will stay nice and dry. But I just want to survive the Great British Escapades. I'm not going to be going in there for racing through, I just want to go and enjoy it. So that's one of my big goals in 2023. So again, goal number 1, 100 points in Audax. 2, riding Paris-Brest Paris in 70 hours. Want to be able to finish the Pan-Celtic race in good time, and finally surviving the Great British Escapades. Again, I've got 4 more goals as well if you want to check them out. Down in the link below to my audio website. All my events for 2023 are on there as well as these goals as well. So yeah, keeping busy, lots of events to look forward to this year. I'm hoping to look forward to seeing some of you at these events. Go check them out. And if you're not subscribed already, now might be the time. I'll see you in the next one. Take care. Bye bye.